In 1977, a rare planetary alignment offered a once-in-a-lifetime chance a spacecraft could visit all the outer gas giants: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. We seized the moment and launched Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, our robotic emissaries to the stars. Their mission: explore distant worlds, send back data, and reveal the true face of our solar system. But the Voyagers were more than scientific instruments. They were messengers. Each carried a golden record, a gold-plated disc with sounds and images from Earth greetings in 55 languages, music from Bach to Chuck Berry, the sounds of whales and wind. It was humanity's message in a bottle, cast into the cosmic ocean. The launch was a leap of hope and ambition. Using gravity assists, the Voyagers slingshotted from planet to planet, traveling faster and farther than any spacecraft before. Their journey was meant to last a few years, but they were built to endure. No one knew how long they'd last, or what they'd find. They became symbols of human curiosity, a testament to our drive to explore. Two tiny machines venturing into the unknown. We pointed them at the stars, gave them a push, and let gravity do the rest. Their mission was a grand tour, but also a statement. We are explorers. The golden record said, "This is who we were. This is where we lived. We hope our paths cross one day." The Voyagers left Earth behind, carrying our story into the darkness. Their journey would redefine our place in the universe. We look up at the night sky, and we don't just wonder, we go. The Voyager program was the ultimate expression of our need to know what lies beyond. And so our message sailed into the stars. The first images from Jupiter in 1979 were breathtaking. Jupiter was revealed as a world of swirling storms and the colossal Great Red Spot. We discovered faint rings and saw its moons as complex worlds: Io, a volcanic wonderland, and Europa, with hints of a hidden ocean. These discoveries rewrote the textbooks. Saturn followed, its rings revealed as thousands of icy ringlets, braided and mysterious. Titan, Saturn's moon, hinted at lakes of methane, a strange echo of early Earth. Voyager 2 pressed on, flying past Uranus and Neptune. Uranus was tipped on its side, with dark rings and new moons. Neptune was a vibrant blue with its own great dark spot and Triton's nitrogen geysers. After Neptune, the planetary tour ended. The Voyagers had transformed our understanding of the solar system. Each image was a revelation, each discovery a new mystery. Our solar system was more diverse and dynamic than we'd ever imagined. The Voyagers painted a portrait of wonder and complexity. The grand tour was complete, but the journey was far from over. After the planetary flybys, the Voyagers pressed onward, escaping the sun's gravity, heading for interstellar space. The sun faded to a distant star, their signals grew faint. The cameras were turned off to save power. The last image, the pale blue dot, Earth, a tiny pixel in a sunbeam. The Voyagers entered the helio sheath, sending back data on magnetic fields and cosmic rays. In 2012, Voyager 1 crossed into interstellar space, the first human-made object to do so. Voyager 2 followed in 2018. They sent back our first direct measurements of the interstellar medium. But their power was fading, their voices, whispers. We knew they'd fall silent, soon. Their images became digital relics, studied and archived. The technology was old, the data thought exhausted. The story of the Voyagers seemed to be ending, a triumph fading into the night. We believed their secrets had all been told, but the universe had one more surprise. The Voyagers' greatest discovery was still hidden, waiting to be found. Their journey was not just about where they went, but what they left behind. The silence of deep space was about to be broken. The past was not as empty as we thought. We were about to learn we were not alone. In the 21st century, a new tool emerged: artificial intelligence. NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory wondered, could AI find secrets in the old Voyager data? They built Aura, an algorithm trained to spot patterns and anomalies in the vast image archives. Aura could see what humans missed: subtle details, hidden signals. It was digital archaeology, excavating secrets from decades-old data. Aura sifted through every pixel, flagging anything unusual. At first it found faint moons, mapped cosmic ray impacts, refined ring structures. Useful science, but nothing earth-shattering. Then, Aura began flagging anomalies, things that defied explanation. In images from the edge of the solar system, it found faint straight lines of light, dark shapes that absorbed all light, objects moving in ways that defied physics. The team checked for bugs, recalibrated the AI, but the anomalies remained. The data was real. The Voyagers had captured something no one had noticed. The AI had found ghosts in the machine. The scientists were stunned. The past was alive with secrets. The universe was about to reveal a hidden chapter. The search for answers had only just begun. The Voyager's legacy was about to change everything. The anomalies were undeniable. In the Kuiper Belt, Aura found vast straight lines of light, structures thousands of kilometers long, glowing faintly. They weren't cosmic rays or natural phenomena, they looked artificial. Then came the dark shapes, objects so black they absorbed all starlight, casting perfect silhouettes. One was a massive angular shard tumbling in the void, not a moon, not an asteroid, the most disturbing discovery movement. Aura tracked faint points of light moving in sharp angular paths, accelerating, stopping, changing direction. These weren't comets or rocks, they moved with purpose like vehicles. The images were from the 1980s. These objects had been in our solar system for decades, unnoticed. Then, near Saturn's rings, Aura found a field of debris, metallic, twisted, broken. Panels, struts, a shattered hull, wreckage, ancient and scarred. It was the remains of something built, then destroyed. The evidence was overwhelming. These were not glitches. They were signs of something we'd long hoped for and feared. The Voyagers had captured proof of an ancient, advanced presence in our solar system. The implications were staggering. We were not the first to explore these worlds. The universe was not empty, the silence was full of echoes. The past was alive, hidden in plain sight. The greatest discovery in human history was waiting in the archives, and now we had found it. The question was, what would we do next? The evidence formed a single, inescapable conclusion. Our solar system had once been visited or inhabited by an ancient, advanced civilization. The wreckage near Saturn was millions of years old, hinting at catastrophe or conflict. The vast structures in the Kuiper Belt were younger, but still ancient, perhaps a transport or energy network. The moving objects were the most recent signs, drones or craft captured in the 1980s. But the civilization was gone. No signals, no cities, only relics and ghosts. The scientists worked in secret, piecing together a silent history. The verdict: humanity was not alone, but an inheritor of a forgotten legacy. Every myth of cosmic solitude was shattered. In its place, a sense of connection and a profound humility. The universe was not empty, just quiet. The silence was the echo of a life that had passed. The discovery was the most important in human history, and yet the world remained unaware. The truth was hidden, waiting for its time. The stars held secrets we were only beginning to understand. The discovery was shared with a secret council of leaders and scientists. The debate was fierce. Should the world know? Fears of panic and chaos won out. The truth was kept secret. But the knowledge changed everything for those who held it. A new, hidden race began, not against nations but against time. New probes were designed to revisit the sites flagged by Aura, searching for more clues. The greatest quest in human history unfolded in the shadows. The Voyagers, marvels of 1970s engineering, had given us the data. It took 21st century AI to unlock its secrets. Our quest for knowledge is limited only by the tools we build and the questions we dare to ask. The journey continues. The Voyagers still fly, their power fading, their legacy growing. They showed us a universe more mysterious and wondrous than we imagined. We may not be alone, and the search for answers is just beginning.